are Bloomble's core values. 1. Create a positive impact. Here at Bloomble, we believe in a little something called the impression of increase, and this states that any interaction you have, you should be adding value in some way, shape, or form. And this value added could be a positive impact. 2. Leadership through action. A lot of folks can talk the talk, but at Bloomble, we encourage each other to walk the walk as well. And this means at Bloomble, your actions are going to be held to the highest regard. 3. Do the right thing. We believe that everybody has an internal governor, and this internal governor dictates what we think is right or wrong. And in a lot of situations, there can be multiple routes to take. No matter how many routes or decisions there are to make during a situation, at Bloomble, we encourage you to do the right thing. And that might not always be easy or the most time effective. However, nothing beats doing the right thing. 4. Be humble. Being humble can never go wrong. And here at Bloomble, we are excited and anticipate your success. But that success comes with remaining humble. 5. Hard discipline. Being disciplined is something we take very seriously here at Bloomble. We do our best to offer an environment that will promote self-growth. But that's a 50-50 playing field. And we could promise you that if you bring hard discipline, there's almost nothing that you and your teams won't be able to accomplish. 6. Commit to dominating. Whether you're making sales or creating relationships in the sales sector, dominating is key. You don't want to leave any options on the table, no contact untouched. Dominating means you're giving it your all in your sales journey. 7. Good isn't enough. Excellence is essential. During your time at Bloomble, we want every single interaction of yours to be excellent. We want the value you're able to provide to be excellent, we want the experience for the customer to be excellent, and we want you, our fellow Bloomble team member, to feel and operate in an excellent way. 8. Be a lifetime student. At Bloomble, we understand how important being a lifetime student is. We're never done learning, and there's always something to be gained. We're never done learning, and we're never smarter than the next person. The more you fall in love with becoming a lifetime student, the more you'll realize that you have unlimited potential. 9. Act with intention. There can be plenty of things to do every day in this industry, and we know things can get cluttered sometimes, but we want you to act with intention through everything you do. Acting with intention is a surefire way that you can keep yourself on track. 10. Communication is key. A huge aspect of Bloomble's teams is over-communication. Over-communication means that there is no room left for interpretation, and both parties are at an equal understanding. You'll come to find in your Bloomble journey that communication is oh so important, even more important than you might think it is currently. And there's multiple communication methods that we leverage within Bloomble. You'll learn about those later. And finally, number 11. Challenge and contribute. Challenging and contributing is not being afraid to speak your mind. The only way Bloomble can get better is if we truly improve in ways we never could have imagined. That could be you recommending a new way to conduct a call. That could be you recommending a new sales tactic. That could be you making a recommendation on the type of content we create. Maybe that's you getting an answer to a question that potentially another teammate of yours might have had but hadn't have asked. There's a bunch of ways to challenge and contribute here at Bloomble, and we hope you feel comfortable doing so.